Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are safe and doing great. So today's video is going to be a summer skincare routine. If you properly follow your skincare routine, then you can get a glowing, healthy and detached skin at home. And in this video, I will show you some product which I am using currently. Also, I will share with you a lot of DIYs. So watch my full video, subscribe my channel, also like, comment and share my video. And let's jump to the video.
First step is cleansing. Here I am using this one. This is Himalaya Tan Removal Orange Face Wash. This is suitable for all skin type. You can use your favorite face wash. For scrub, you have two options. You can use this one. This is from Biotic Bio Papaya Tan Removal Face Scrub. This is also suitable for all skin type. Or you can use a DIY scrub. For the DIY scrub, take 1 teaspoon gram flour, 1 teaspoon grounded sugar and 1 teaspoon aloe vera gel. This scrub is suitable for all skin type, but if you have dry skin, you just add raw milk. Gram flour removes tan, remove dead skin cells. Sugar exfoliate your skin clogged pores. Aloe vera soothes sunburn, reduce infection and acne. Third step is applying face pack. Here I am using Biotic Biofruit face pack. Apply this face pack and leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. Then wash your face with normal water. You can use a DIY face pack. For DIY face pack, take 1 tablespoon grounded oats, half tablespoon aloe vera gel, 2 tablespoons of cucumber juice. Now make it a paste. Oats is a great cleanser. It helps to remove dirt and oil from your skin. Cucumber juice soothes irritation, hydrate your skin. Aloe vera gel moisturize your skin. After washing, apply toner. I am using Good Vibes Rose Glow Toner. You can use your favorite toner. For moisturizer, I am using Pond's Light Moisturizer. Massage your face with moisturizer. Last step of the daytime skincare is apply sunscreen. This is Lotus Herbal 3-in-1 Matte Sunscreen. Apply face pack and scrub your skin 3 times in a week only. So yeah, my daytime skincare routine is complete here.
For the nighttime skincare routine, first you wash your face with your favorite face wash and then apply toner and then apply your favorite moisturizer. And the last and most important step is applying eye cream. If you don't have any eye cream, don't worry, you can make your eye cream at home. I have a separate video on that topic. I will give the link in description. Just go and watch that video.
Gently massage your under eye area with this eye cream using ring finger. Ring finger is recommended for least amount of pressure and pull. So use this finger to massage your under eye area.
So this video is complete here. I hope you enjoy the video, find them useful. Thank you for watching.